Hey there everyone! Today I'll demonstrate how to add a journal entry in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is to access the K menu. Log into your QuickBooks Online account and locate the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access the Create menu. Next, Step 2 involves selecting Journal Entry. Scroll down in the Create menu and click on Journal Entry under the Other section. This action will open the journal entry form. Moving on to Step 3, enter the journal entry details. In the journal entry form, input the date of entry and select the accounts you want to debit and credit. Click on the account field and choose the appropriate accounts from the drop-down menu. Enter the amounts in the debit and credit fields for each account. Step 4, which is optional, is to add additional details. If you wish to provide extra information or descriptions for the journal entry, you can enter them in the memo field. While optional, this can be helpful for providing context or explanations. Finally, Step 5 is to save the journal entry. Once all necessary details are entered, review the entry to ensure accuracy. After verifying the information, click on the Save or Save and Close button to save the journal entry in QuickBooks Online. And there you have it. Adding a journal entry in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that helps maintain accurate financial records. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.